Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to customize Lotus Lantern LED lights. First, open the Lotus Lantern app on your phone. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on before you continue. When the app opens, check if your LED lights are already connected. If they are not connected, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, choose the option to add a new device. The app will start searching for nearby LED lights. When your lights appear on the list, tap on them to connect. Allow any permissions the app asks for, such as Bluetooth or location access. These are needed for the lights to work properly. Once the lights are connected, you will see the main control screen. Here you can change the light colors. You can select from preset colors if you want something quick. If you prefer a custom look, choose the custom color option and adjust the color wheel until you find the shade you like. Next, go to the Styles section. In this part of the app, you can choose different lighting effects. Pick any style you like. You can also change the speed of the effect and adjust the brightness to match your room or mood. After that, open the music section. Choose a song from your device. The LED lights will move and change based on the beats and rhythm of the music. There is also a mic section. This lets the lights react to sounds in the room. This mode works well for parties or gatherings. Finally, go to the schedule section. Here you can set times for the lights to turn on and off automatically. Thanks for watching.